Today I'm going to be making my protein energy balls with dried fruit and coconut flakes. First you'll need a cup of Instant Oats, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon flaxseed meal, and 2 scoops of protein powder, any flavor. Now stir your dry ingredients to combine them before adding your wet ingredients. Now we're going to add 4 tablespoons of honey, two tablespoons of peanut butter. I chose chunky in this case. You can use smooth if you like. And a 1/4 cup of water. Now thoroughly combine all your ingredients till it becomes a tight consistency. Add your dried fruit and coconut flakes and continue to stir to incorporate the mixture. Now we're going to get into it with our hands and grab a portion of the dough and just roll till you have a nice ball. And continue this procedure till all the dough is used up. Now I got 9 balls out of this batch. And now that they're done, we're going to cover them and refrigerate them for at least an hour, or put them in the freezer for a half an hour. These protein energy balls are great for a grab-and-go snack or great for a pre or post workout. And they're delicious. Healthy snacking.